What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your headphones or earphones louder. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is head into your settings app. And then once you're in your settings app, you're going to go down to where it says sounds and haptics. Once you're under sounds and haptics, you're going to go under headphone safety. And once you're under headphone safety, you're going to adjust the decibel levels. So I have mine to max. So that is the first option. The second option is to go back to the original settings menu, and then under accessibility, you're going to press on that. And then under accessibility, you're going to scroll down to where it says audio/visual. And then under headphone accommodations, you're going to tap on that. Once you're under that, you're going to tap on vocal range. And then once that check is next to vocal range, you can adjust it from slight, moderate to strong. And that's how you can adjust also the sound on your headphones. So I have mine to strong. So these were my tips on how to make your headphones sound louder. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer them for you. I hope you have a great day. Take care.